Anjalisha, salutation, Kapota, pigeon, Calcutta, flag, swastika, cross, Dola Hasa, swing, Pushpakutaha, flower basket, Ussanga, embrace, Shivalingataha, Lord Shiva, Kathavadana Chaiva, wear a bracelet, Kartari swastikam tatha, opposite, Shakhatam, monster, Shankha, shade, Chakra, wheel, Samputaha, guiding something in container, Pasha, rope, Killer cow, emotional bond,